Welcome to Samar Hyatt channel. I bet you didn't know the Sony a6000 is still a powerhouse in 2024. Let's dive into why it's an amazing choice for novice photographers. So you're thinking about getting into photography, but don't know where to start? You're not alone. Many beginners face an overwhelming sea of options and confusing tech jargon. Today we're breaking down why the Sony a6000 might just be the perfect pick for you. First off, its autofocus system is lightning fast, making sure you never miss a moment. Plus, it boasts stunning image quality that rivals pricier models. And guess what? Its user-friendly interface makes it a breeze to operate, even if you're a total newbie. Compared to other beginner cameras, the a6000 stands out by offering a fantastic balance of quality and ease of use. It's small, lightweight, and packed with features that make it super versatile. So, if you're looking for a camera that delivers great performance without breaking the bank, the Sony a6000 is a solid choice for new photographers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe,